Last time, we discovered 3 simple machines: lever, wheel and axle, and pulley, and how they all give us mechanical advantage. Welcome back to Bear's Super Science Squad. We're diving into the final 3 simple machines with Mechanic Maya. Ready for round 2? These 3 might be hiding somewhere in your house right now. Maya, what's simple machine number 4? The inclined plane, a flat surface set at an angle, like a ramp. Instead of lifting something straight up, you push it up the ramp. You use less force, but you travel a longer distance. Ramps, slides, and mountain roads are all inclined planes. Pause and think. Next time you see a wheelchair ramp, that's engineering, making life easier. A ramp is a machine. What's number 5? The wedge. A wedge is like 2 inclined planes put back to back, thick at one end and pointed at the other. Push a wedge forward and it splits things apart or holds them in place. Can you think of some wedges in your home? A knife blade, an axe head, and a doorstop are all wedges. My kitchen knife is a simple machine. What's the 6th? The screw. A screw is actually an inclined plane wrapped in a spiral around a rod. As you twist it, it moves forward with great force, much more than you could push by hand. Jar lids, bottle caps, and bolts are all screws. Try opening a tight jar. That's a screw, giving you mechanical advantage. All 6! Now, Maya, can machines be combined? Absolutely. When you combine 2 or more simple machines, you get a compound machine. Almost every machine in real life is compound. A bicycle uses wheels and axles, levers, and screws all at once. Scissors are 2 levers and 2 wedges working together. Engineers design compound machines by choosing the best simple machines for the job. That's what engineering is all about. Engineers combine simple machines into incredible inventions. Final recap, squad. 1. The inclined plane is a ramp, less force, longer distance. 2. The wedge splits, or holds things, and the screw is a spiraling inclined plane that pulls things together with great force. 3. Compound machines combine simple machines, and every amazing invention around us was designed that way. Every great invention starts with a simple machine. That's it from Bear's Super Science Squad. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Keep building, keep exploring.